Welcome to another trade of the day here at TraderTV.Live. We're talking Affirm again, and this one is all about learning from previous levels and taking advantage of previous price action, which can give you some solid entry points and exits as well. So as usual, I want to start out with the higher time frame here because you can see a couple of parabolic moves in here for Affirm, making that big top at 125. But I've highlighted this top at 115, we go all the way back here in the ninth, and then we also have in the morning a 115 breakout. It then is a money short after the big flush, and we all saw the flush in the open yesterday on Affirm. Just crazy move into the downside. It recovered right to 115 in the afternoon and then flushed back into the downside. Now, you're going to come in this morning, and yeah, we got a 2-for-1 here, but I do want to first focus on that absolute top at that 115 level. I came into this because of the price action in yesterday's action. I knew I wanted short in front of it no matter what, so I do take some shares in, and then once it stalls out at 115, I'm just getting more the next consolidation down. You get that nice ride back into VWAP. You can see it goes all the way to 110, actually looking to threaten even lower than this as we speak. But I did say it was a 2-for-1. That's an easy entry because you know exactly where you're wrong. Even let it break and go 25, 50 cents or so and maybe come back down in, give it some extra room. That's a key level. The other trade that you can have off of this is a simple trend. And we had this one on the morning. I know it's going to be a pre-market high that was held a couple of times going into the open, but one thing I want to talk about here before getting into that opening trade at 9:30 is this little bottom around like 106. You get these wick bottoms, especially on this flush down here, around 105 half, 106. Then you have some volume in at that bounce price. Now, I know it traveled through. Remember, that was almost like a flash crash right at the open. So you have to consider the fact where the volume came back in on the bid was closer to 105 half, and that bottom was useful today if you were doing that 930 rollover, which was pretty good. So you've got your direction because of that 115 resistance. You have a pre-market high, lower high into the open, flushes, retests, but fails. That's where you jump in after the failure, and then I'm getting out in front of the low of the day because I know that 105.50 from those previous sessions is lingering. So everything about those scalp trades, all about historical prices from the day before, from 2 days before, on that 15-minute time frame. Not always about the daily chart. Sometimes when you're in and out quickly, in a matter of 15 or 20 minutes, you put on that 15-minute chart and find the obvious levels. Affirm, the gift that keeps on giving this week. Let me know how you did trading this name and others. And as always, tune in the morning every single day and back at lunch for memes and movers and at the close for Power Hour at Trader TV Live. See you in the markets.